Hi everybody.
Oh jeez, you started out with that.
Started over.
So, no, I'm not gonna start it over. That's the juice we've been drinking for how many days now? No.
I made it last night.
You didn't make it last night.
You made it today.
We made it today, but we've been drinking juice for a while now. Siren! Oh, she came alive. Are the other two going crazy? Hang on, I'll get it. Hey, 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 oh! Meow! Are you gonna meow for the camera? There's our Prego. Meow! Here, give me a back.
Who's being a back to?
Crazy Loki. Here.
Started with yellow eyes.
Yeah. Ah. So what has Colton been doing all day, huh? Yeah, he finally got Wi-Fi. Let me show y'all. Yeah. There went the peroxide. I'll grab it. Show y'all what we had for dinner tonight. Give this. Yes, I crushed it. Dishes need to be done. Probably should shut the window the rest of the way. I'm leaving this back window open until we get litter. Yummy.
Yeah.
Crazy cats. So tonight we get to go and finally leave the trailer because Colton gets his money. Anyway, this is what was for dinner. Homemade macaroni and cheese with spaghetti noodles. So that was tonight's dinner. Kitties. They get all crazy when I open this up. They'll like try to jump in it. Siren almost does. She will. She fucking will.
We'll be getting some food and I'll be buying cat food and cat litter.
Ha! And then they'll meow at me, thinking I have food for them. Ah. Loki! Loki! You're evil. Hi. Pet all my kitties. I'm petting all the monsters. Oh wait, I'm forgetting a monster. Colton, how dare you? Touching my boob. Touching my butt. Oh. And then there's our list of stuff we have to get. Yeah. That's all the stuff we've got to do to pay to get. Anyway, it'll leave us with $65 in the end. So, other than that, we're gonna be leaving in a little while. Hopefully the truck starts. And, hopefully the truck starts and hopefully we get gas. So, I don't know. The truck's kind of a question mark. So,
I don't know anything.
You don't know anything? Do you
I
ever?
know the battery. I had the battery tested a couple times and it's good.
Yeah, but the person that tested it stole our propane tank.
What's that?
So I don't know what exactly he did to my engine. For all we know, he's the one that fucked up the gas. So I don't know. But anyways, not much else to tell you guys. Just been sitting around all day. Took showers. That's about it. Oh, you guys will never guess what I found on frickin' Stumbler. I found this awesome recipe for, get this, slutty brownies.
I'm not the one talking. No.
I know that. Fine. Yeah, your hand's probably in the picture, huh? You got it?
I got it.
I found a recipe on Stumbler the other day. Colton thinks it's nasty, but I think it's really good. It's a brownie type thing. It's called slutty brownies. You buy cookie mix, Oreos, and brownie mix. You do up the cookie mix. What are you doing? You do up the cookie mix, and then you put it in the pan. Then you put Oreos on top of that. Then you mix up the brownie batter, and you put that on top of everything, and then you bake it. Oh yeah. Slutty brownies. It looks so good from the picture. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Colton. What'd you do?
I didn't do nothing.
What'd you do?
Why?
You zoomed in.
Yeah, I did.
How do you zoom back out?
Down can go. At least you learned something.
Leave it alone. Anyway. It's raining and nasty outside, and me and Colton are just looking forward to leaving for a little bit.
Right now I gotta kill a couple hours.
Yep. So, I might make a video tomorrow because we're going to go down to Aberdeen tomorrow.
I'll put a walking machine.
Yeah, I know. So we'll probably make a video of us heading down to Aberdeen again. Maybe a longer video and better this time. The last one wasn't very good. So, Colton and I say bye. And I'm gonna upload this. And, we'll see y'all later. Bye-bye!